Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you all are fine. So let's get started. So now in this lecture you will learn about RIRs, what really RIRs are and what is the purpose of RIR and who are the members of RIR and how you can be the participant of RIR and how you can participate in this and what are the global policy developments. So now let's move further. Before moving further, let me tell you about I really need your reviews, your positive reviews, so I can move further and it can motivate me more to create more videos for you so you can learn a lot. It really teach me more and I want to share my knowledge with you all, so please review me as good as you can and you can tell me about how I can improve my lectures more. So let's move on. So first we'll see what is RIR. So you have to remember this thing. RIR basically defines the basic definition of RIR is regional internet registries. RI means regional internet registries, and RIR is an organization that manages the allocation and registration of internet numbers resources within a particular region of the world. Okay, so internet number resources include IP addresses, autonomous system numbers. The regional internet registries evolve over time, eventually divide the world into 5 RIRs. So you must know that there are only 5 RIRs in the whole world. You can see here in this slide there are 5 major RIRs: the ARIN, okay, the LACNIC, ARIN, LACNIC, AFRIC, APNIC, and the last one, the RIPE, NCC. We call it the Network Corporation Center. So these are major 5 RIRs, regional internet registries, that managing the whole internet around the world. Okay, so this is the second layer after ICANN. When ICANN distributed the numbers or names to RIRs and the specific RIRs, then further spreading to ISPs, and we'll see what really the purpose of this. Within their respective regions, RIA provides service to administer, manage, distribute and register internet number resources, mainly to their numbers. The global RIR system ensures that each internet number resource is uniquely assigned to one party to ensure smooth functioning of the internet. I hope you understand this thing, that basically they are dividing the things. Okay, the whole internet is going to be divided in 5 parts, so RIR is managing it, and that they are distributed based on justified need. How the RIR distributed internet resources within their region is defined by the policy that each RIR community develops. So I hope you understand this thing, that how they are distributing it and how they are being the part of it. So who are the members of these RIRs? Let's see. RIR members are comprised of internet service providers, okay, like governments, universities, civil societies, end users, for profit and not for profit enterprise of all sizes and across all business sectors. So wherever you are, you have to pay towards the RIR and RIR will provide you the internet. If you are an ISP, then you have to pay, on the upper level like RIR. If you excel your career in network security, so you must know that RIRs giving you opportunity to participate and show your interest, how much you are interested in network security and network things. So this will give you a global experience. So how you can do this is there are websites, there are official websites are available. I'll mention my links in my description, from where you can go and register yourself, and whenever the opportunity came, you can go on it. I hope it will help you a lot. Policy discussions also takes place. So there are some things you might know, that how you can be the participant. Policy discussions also takes place during RIR meetings, which are open for everyone to participate in, both on-site or via remote participation online. Each RIR holds around 2 meetings a year. In addition to discussions on internet number resource policy, the meeting also include technical presentation, training, course and workshop. So you understand this thing that you can be the participant of this anytime you want. So I'll mention my link in my description, and so you can go on and with your required RIR and just register it, and they will tell you the schedule when the next meeting will held, and you can be participate in it. A great experience for you. So what really the global policy development is? Global policy governs how public technical identifiers the organization charged with performing the IANA functions. So we will discuss in my next lecture about IANA, what really IANA is. Global policy is just telling you about the IANA functions. They are discussing the IANA functions, what are the issues and the resources for the RIRs. The global policy proposal can be submitted by anyone. For it to be accepted, the same version of the proposal must be considered in all 5 RIR regions and subsequently accepted according to each community policy development process before being ratified. So I hope you understand this thing, that how the global policy development is working. Meet you in next lecture. Thank you so much. Bye bye.